Hi, I'm Pooja and I would like to give an update on my project in this intermediate milestone 2. Progress Report is a web-based tool to show students progress and performance in the course. The tool is to organize and display student progress from T-Square, Udacity, peer feedback, and Piazza. The tool is built on Ruby on Rails architecture. I obtained data from David Joyner for knowledge-based AI and educational technology, which has been used for designing the dashboard. Dashboard will be one-stop shop to get updates on students' performance. The NAT chart gives an overview of the list of tasks that were performed over the last 3 weeks. The major task these weeks is the data extraction from given data set and designing dashboard. Identifying the data that are important and displaying the data can be a daunting task. Designing the data model plays an important role. The course assessment is critical in deciding what we want to display in the dashboard. The T-square presents a large source of data for grade in the course based on assignments, exams, and projects. Some courses use watching videos and completing quizzes on Udacity as part of the grading. The Piazza and peer feedback may vary in how much they contribute to final grades in different courses, but some courses have a heavy weightage on the final grade and it's not always transparent how the data is evaluated for a grade. This is the preview of the dashboard with all the data presented as progress made in the course. The dashboard has a nice logo and instantly gives information on how a student is performing in the class. It gives the student name, the course, and the week the student is in the course. The first graph is how the course is being assessed. It gives how much percent of the course grade is allocated for each categories like assignments, projects, exams, Udacity, peer feedback, and Piazza. The pie chart gives an overview of how much a student has completed in the course. It breaks down on the basis of categories the course uses for its evaluation. The second pie chart tells you how much the student needs to complete in the upcoming weeks. This is based on the deadlines for each assignments and projects. It does not include late submission or other excuses. The T-square bar graph shows the scores for each data in T-square. The score is normalized for course evaluation criteria. For example, in KBAI, you may choose between assignment 1 or 2 worth 100% of the total grade. This shows how you have done and in relation to the class average. The course average tells how the students performed in all the course offerings. The concentric donuts chart show how much of the Udacity part has been completed. This is purely based on how much a student has finished watching the videos and how many quizzes have been completed. Looking at this information, the student may decide to complete more of the videos as required. The bar graph gives an overview of student progress in peer feedback and Piazza participation. Piazza participation is pretty loose and it's not very intricate. In conclusion, these past weeks have been heavy on converting raw data to usable data and designing the dashboard. Feel good about the dashboard design. The next week will be about implementation and perfecting the dashboard before the finals.